So we have a Broadway Limited N scale E unit, and I think I know how I can make everything fit in here. Strip this down to the frame. This is an ESU 11x17 board. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove a bit of material off of here on the mill. Take that out so that 11x17 will sit flush, and then I will just do away with their board right here. And I'll just wire in the decoder. I'll see if I can tap into the LEDs they've already got with some dropping resistors. If not, I'll just replace those too. It might actually just be easier going that route. I don't know. But next stop, we're going to take this into the other shop and machine that frame real fast. All right, so I've got the frame clamped in the mill. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove some of this lug so the speaker will sit back further, and I'm going to skim this down so it's just a little bit lower. I'm not going to take off too much material. Looking at the frame, though, the worm gear covers end right about here. Obviously, I don't need these screw posts because I'm not using the factory circuit board on here, so those can go away because I'm just going to wire in a V5 micro. All right, so we'll see what happens here. Hey everybody, this is just a quick down and dirty demo of a couple of E units that came in to have ESU LokSound installed. First one I got here is a custom Caddo E8 in Southern Railway. It has a V5 micro installed in it. It's going to be one of these guys. You probably see me install about 1 million of these things. Frame's been machined. On the rear end has a cutout. Let's see if I can just line that up there. So an ESU 11x17 speaker can go there. The light board's been modified, and on this one I also separated the upper headlight so it has a separate Mars light, and then the lower headlight as well. A headlight. Just ESU's standard E-unit sound file that I've been using. Anyways, I'll cut this short, so I am going to hit F8 to turn the sound on. There's the headlight. F6. There's the Mars light. Yeah, the horn probably needs to be changed too, but that's the beauty of the ESU. There's like 20 horns in there. All right, and now I'm going to flip over to the other model. All right, so this is a Broadway Limited Imports, let's see if we can get it to show up, non-sound unit. And so the individual wanted it to have, obviously, the same sound install as the Caddo E8 back there. Never actually worked on one of these before, so it was an interesting experience. And obviously, if you're watching this video, you saw at the beginning where I talked about it. Dismantled it, and I machined the frame to take a, once again, ESU 11x17 speaker and a ESU V5 micro. Now, I had this all together, and there's an 8-pin socket in there. I theoretically could have put that in there and put a shorter speaker in there and figured it out, but it would have been a much smaller speaker. And it also had a separate independent Mars light set up in it, attached to that, and there were 2 separate LEDs up in the front here. Now, I did this one first, so I knew that the headlights were nice and bright and what have you. So when I got this guy all back together, I originally had him wired in where he just tapped into the LEDs that were pre-existing in here. Got it all back together, everything working, except for they were just really crappy looking. So I made the command decision and ripped theirs out and then wired in 2 surface mount LEDs that I pilfered off of a Kato light board. So the lighting is a lot brighter and matches this one a little bit better. So without further ado, we will turn this out. By the way, this should sound exactly like the other one. Well, the motor characteristics are a little bit different, neither here nor there. So yeah, before the Broadway factory lights had like this weird orangish dull color to them. I don't know how else to explain it. And so there you go, a Broadway Limited E8 with ESU LokSound V5 micro installed, and a Caddo E8 with ESU LokSound V5 micro installed. As always, if you have any questions, if not, thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.